Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're checking out some amazing 3D assets that UI designers can use in 2021. Using 3D assets really brightens up your screen. Illustrations are almost synonymous to content now, and these 3D illustrations will help you get on the trend. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. Now I'm sure you guys remember toy faces. Now there's a nice free alternative to toy faces called Power People platform. And as you can see, it looks extremely clean. If I scroll down, you can see there are so many different variants in different ethnicities, hairstyles, accessories, colors, and much more. They've also given you some inspiration for your UI as to how you can use these 3D faces in your UI designs or in your UX design process as well. And the best part is it is completely free for both personal as well as commercial use. There is no charge on any of these designs, and I absolutely love that. Each character has a name to themselves, and they also have different styles, colors, as well as new outfits. You don't have to download the entire pack altogether. You can just quickly download each one of these as PNG format. Or if you feel brave, then go ahead and get the entire library for 100% free. If you want to request something or if you want to buy some special designs from them, you can always email them here as well. Now, while we're looking at people, let's look at some amazing realistic looking people as well. This 3D characters and illustration pack has these amazing looking people, so as to say. As you can see, each 3D model has a lot of textures. So it's not just one 3D surface. As you can see, there is this smudge on the glass, there is good reflection, there is light being reflected, and so much more. You can only appreciate these illustrations by zooming in and seeing that each part of their design is actually a real material. This ninja has a nice little cloth on top here. The glasses are actually looking as if they're made out of plastic. The rings itself look as if they're made out of brass or gold. You can see how it looks on just a plain white or plain black background, or you can see how it looks above a nice blurred background. So it gives that realistic feel almost. And the astronaut looks absolutely amazing. I love how realistic it looks. If you get the entire pack, you get a 4K resolution. That means it is super high res and you can zoom in a lot. You can either get the transparent ones or ones with the background already inbuilt. Apart from just humans, there are also robots, ninjas, monsters, rock stars, as if they're not humans. You get a small pack for free, so you can start using it for free. If you like the free pack, you can always buy their other complete pack or bundle. Before we move on, I wanted to show a new web-based 3D tool that is coming to the world. Yes, it's still in a waitlist as a early access, but after it comes in, you can basically, fiddle with 3D designs inside your web browser here. If you're looking forward to use a tool like this, make sure you comment down below and say, "We love WOMP." And I'm sure WOMP creators would love to see that. I can't wait to get my hands on this nice little tool. Now, the Figma community is absolutely wonderful. A designer named Fabrics Design has come up with this amazing 3D fluff icons. As you can see, these are not 100% 3D, but they've used gradient, shadows, and much more to make it look three-dimensional. It almost kind of gives me a skeuomorphic or a neumorphic feel, to be honest. You can always get the icons, which is a nice little pack here with multiple icons in different styles. Cute little icon pack of only 20 icons, but it's free, so well, you can give it a try. Now, when I say 3D characters can add a lot of emotion, well, look at this Chloe. Chloe has 50 plus fully changeable PSDs, so you can basically import it into XD or any other tool and edit each and every aspect of it. I love how the expressions are so prominent. Not just the expressions, but the way she is standing. Even her clothes has texture. Now with this pack, you also get these 3D assets like this key, this bulb, and you get all these different poses that come along with it. There are over 50 different poses for different scenarios. You also get all these cards, bulbs, shopping bags, and I absolutely love how they've actually utilized all of these resources. It gives a lot of inspiration for things like web design as well. They're giving you a free sample of some of these Chloe characters. You can either download the free sample or you can purchase this amazing project for commercial use and for other use. To be honest, the personal one is $28, and for how much work must have gone into this and for how amazing this is, $28 is not bad. Of course, you can get the free demo always. Since we're already on Behance, I wanted to show these neon waves, which gives you a very 3D perspective. As you can see, these iPhones are portrayed alongside these 3D waves. To be honest, I'm gonna save this and put it onto my phone wallpaper. If you want a wallpaper like this, then go ahead and check this out. Apart from that, you can even use this for app and web backgrounds. These super realistic 3D wallpapers will definitely add a lot of zest to either your phone background or your web or app UI. 3D assets like this should get the right background just like this. Basic 3D shapes are okay, but animated 3D shapes really add a lot of character. These abstract and static shapes look amazing. They have different colors, different styles of abstract, as well as they are animated. So you can either use it as a static image or use the animated MP4 or MOV inside your designs. If you want to see how to add such animations, I have a video for that. I will link the video so that you can add these animations into your UI designs in Figma or any other tool. It is compatible with both Figma as well as Blender, so you can edit this if you're a 3D designer. The entire project is $48, which I feel is worth it because it's animated also, but you can get a free version also. If you go to preview, click on demo, and then directly download the demo from here. Make sure if you're using it for commercial purpose, you get the full version. UI 8 is on another level right now. Hop looks amazing. Hop has a lot of back to school kind of stuff, but a lot of these resources like pens, pencils. As designers, we can always use a lot of these resources in a lot of other areas as well. Not only that, you also get these amazing GIFs with these packs. These are actual videos or GIFs that you can get and utilize it again. It was originally created in Photoshop and After Effects, so you can always use it with those tools as well. You can get it for $56, which I again feel is a huge bargain, or you can get the actual demo and download it directly from here. Some of these assets will be available in the demo and you can use it freely in your designs. I wanted to end this video on a shiny note. I must be dreaming because these look absolutely fantastic. You can take inspiration from these UI designs as well. I absolutely love how they've used it with this letter ampersand, and it looks fantastic. You can even use it with your graphic design projects, gold on black, you guys know, looks fantastic. You can get all these amazing design resources for a small value of $12. But if you want these assets for free, these elements, these orange elements, they are giving away for free. And to be honest, I prefer this over the gold. It looks really good and it can be used in more areas. The shapes are very basic, but I love how the lighting kind of makes everything look more realistic and vibrant. My favorite pack out of all these was hands down Chloe, and the artist has been able to get every feature just right. The eyes look right, the face looks right. Even the clothes have a necessary texture, like this has denim here. So it's a balance between a realism as well as a toy-like feature here. Go check out all these resources. I will have a link to all these resources in the description. That was the video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. You can really support the channel by that. Also click on the subscribe button for videos every Monday and Thursday. Don't forget to check out the video where I show you how to implement these 3D assets and animations into your UI designs like Figma and XD. I'll see you next time every Monday and Thursday, same place, same time. Till then, God bless.